Hello. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I build this model. It's not going to be complete, but it will be as much as I dare to put on it. Now you can see what kind of shape I'm thinking of. The proportions are not exactly, it's just an idea maker so I can look and think. And as I said before, it's not proper proportions here, but it's an idea breaker for me. Next model will be more accurate. This is just how, so I can visualize how things will be. Stay on, and as always, please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.